Good afternoon, everyone, from Universal Orlando Mardi Gras. As the Mardi Gras season has officially begun here at the resort, we're gonna pop on inside, hopefully try some good food, see what kind of entertainment they have, and go from there. It's gonna be a great day. Popped right on right after work, rushed here in afternoon Orlando traffic just to be here for the festivities. So with that being said, let's head right on into the park and start our day. Still rocking the facial recognition for entry into the park here at Studios and over at Islands. Very quick, very efficient compared to the old finger scanners. They got some of the characters out here in Minion Land. Let's take a look. It's a very busy day here at the park, busier than normal. Park is open until 9, which is the latest it's been open since like the holiday season. Right behind me on Music Plaza stage is where Walker Hayes will be performing tonight. I'm not familiar with his music, maybe some of you are, but I don't know if we're gonna stick around to watch it. But tonight after the Mardi Gras parade, he will be performing right over there. Now here's our first food booth that we've come across. It's out here next to the Minion Cafe and across from the Tonight Shop for Jimmy Fallon, but they've got Pina Coladas, it looks like. Let me get a closer look at that menu real quick. Yeah, that all does look very good. All right, the first stop is the Pina Colada. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, very pineapple-y and fruity. Definitely recommend. Okay, I've got my beignets now, and they come in this little to-go bag. Yep, definitely messy. It looks like they give you about 4 in a bag. Here's the size for comparison to my hand of one of them. And now I found out that the sign of a good beignet is as long as the powder doesn't just fall right off and it tastes fresh. It was made in-house and not, you know, shipped frozen. Yeah, no, these definitely seem fresh. Let me grab the bag. Let me tap real quick. Try to make it focus. Yeah, these definitely seem fresh. I don't know, I've never had like authentic beignets. Quite frankly, the only beignets I've ever had are right here at Universal. So I don't know what they would taste like in Mardi Gras or like actual Mardi Gras out in New Orleans. Yeah, right here at Universal, they are pretty good. I had them, I think, for the first time about 3 or 4 years ago, and I was not that impressed. These now, they've definitely stepped up their game. Good job. Just overheard someone bring up the old Twister Red. Why tug at my heartstrings like that? Over here at the Canada booth, it looks like they have canned bacon and onion poutine, and then a fire cider for the alcoholic beverage. Alright, and so I think it's getting to about that time where it would be in our best interest to go and at least try to grab a spot for the parade tonight. But what's interesting about the parade this year, one of the many changes is that it will be going around in a counterclockwise circle around the park rather than the typical clockwise circle. They haven't changed the actual route of the parade, just one of the many changes that we will be seeing through the Mardi Gras season. But let's head right on over there and at least try to grab a spot for the parade. But still, like every year, the parade still starts and ends over here in this corner. Is that the Aiden Schultz?
Oh my god.
Hey!
We've done a lot. We've basically done a whole circle around the park, you know, trying the food, trying the drinks. We checked out the tribute store as well. Definitely one of Universal's best tribute stores. Honestly, I would say to date, not just in the Hollywood area, in terms of Mardi Gras tribute, this is definitely my favorite one so far. And I used to work the Mardi Gras tribute store, so that says a lot.
All right, gonna be going dual camera tonight. Gonna be capturing some parade footage off the G7X and the GoPro Hero 12. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up our day here at Universal Orlando. We did a lot. We basically tried some of the food and obviously ended it with the parade. Ran into some friends here. Did we all have fun?
Oh, yes,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely, absolutely.
What Universal does for Mardi Gras every season is spectacular. We will definitely be back to hopefully ride the parade float and do a lot more of the offerings, and then run through the tribute store a couple more times. But guys, of course, be sure to like and subscribe down below for more episodes like this here on ParkTwister in the future, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.